Hi guys, today we are making the ultimate flakiest meat pie with a filling I'm pretty sure you've never tried. So please stay with me. So to begin the video, let me apologize for the poor lighting in the video. It was a rainy day and ECG was playing hide and seek with me, okay? So I began by sauteing my chopped onions. I added a bit of oil into the saucepan and then added my onions, allowed it to sweat a bit, and then I went in with my chopped or finely chopped sausages. So these are fresh sausages, so I'm going to fry them for a bit to ensure that they cook almost through, okay? Then next I'll go in with some cooked potatoes. These are Irish potatoes, but if you are maybe adventurous, you can use sweet potatoes if you like, okay? I'm going to give that a quick stir for about 3 minutes, and then I'll go in with some frozen vegetables. So this I made at home. I cut some carrots and green bell peppers and froze them so that anytime I'm going to cook, I just bring it out of the freezer into my pot, okay? Next, I'm going in with some mashed sardines. You heard me, sardines. So there's something about this filling, right? The combination makes it taste like minced meat, but you don't lose touch of the sardines as well. And it was so good. I went in with some powdered pepper and some seasoning cube, tossed it around a bit, and went in with my slurry. So that's a mixture of flour and then water, just to thicken my filling up a bit and make it creamy as well. I do not want the filling to be dry when we put them into our meat pies, okay? Or our pie crust if you like. So I gave this about 5 minutes, went back in to give it a stir, turned off my fire and allowed the filling to cool completely. Meanwhile, we'll work on our pie crust. So I have some all-purpose flour here. I'm going to be adding some cold margarine in there. So to make it easier to mix up, I cut the margarine into small cubes. The measurements for the pie crust will be in the description box, so you can reference it whenever you want to make some of this for yourself. So as you can see, it has mixed up beautifully. I went in with some cold water and then began to mold. It was quite a bit, so I got 2 balls out of it. So what you can do is to put this in the fridge and then work on it one dough at a time, or just go straight ahead to flatten your dough, cut out your pie crust into whatever shapes you want, add your filling, and then you're good to go. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi, and you're so welcome to the Taste and Bloom channel. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below when you're done watching, and share this video also after you're done watching. Thank you so much. So like I mentioned, you can make your pies into any shapes you want, okay? I'm going for the round ones. Added my filling and then I'll flip it over. And as you can see, the crust is very delicate because we are going in for the flaky pie, okay? All is set. I'm poking just a few holes on top of my pie crust and then I'll brush it off with an egg wash or egg wash. So it's just a mixture of egg and milk just to give it the golden brown color, okay, when it's done baking. So I baked my pies at 190 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. And when they came out against the rainy weather and some hot Milo, our night was made, okay. So I had to go outside the next day to give you a clearer shot of my meat pies. Trust me, they were so good. And I hope you try this recipe because you're going to love it. And until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.